Okay, that's fine. Hey guys, Mal here back with another video. Today I'm just telling you that I can't record with my GoPro. Because I lost something very important to upload them. So I'm recording it with my phone. And there's gonna be a new member to my group, to my channel. You ready to see him? His name is Dino Puppet. Yeah. I'm shy. Don't be shy. Don't eat them either. Sorry. Yeah. So he's gonna be coming to my channel. He's gonna be in some videos. Yeah. And so yeah. Dino Puppet is going to be a new member to my channel. So yeah. He's gonna be good and not eat you. So yeah. If you guys want to see more of Dino Puppet, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss any videos like these. Bye. And there he goes. Oh, and make sure to share these videos with your friends, or family, because I'd really appreciate it. Mal out.